Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay! So today I want to talk about to you guys about bar chart. Yes, this is my last SKL or my first SKL. This is talk about bar chart. So later I want to explain about the bar chart. So let's go to the video. Okay, there is the bar chart comparing different daily sales average. Here you can see there are two bars. One is blue and one is orange. Here the blue bar is winter and the orange one is summer. At the bar explain the daily sales of select food at Breeze Cafe. Based on the season, there are hot coffee, iced coffee, ice cream, soup, and salad. There are 5 types of food and drinks at Breeze Cafe. Now we discuss the blue bar first, namely the winter bar. Here we can see that the highest winter bar in the drink, namely hot coffee, around 75%, and for the lowest is iced coffee around 3%. It's a big difference, right? Obviously, people choose hot coffee because it's winter. It's very cold. We definitely need something warm and don't really need something cold like iced coffee. Alright, now we go to orange colored bar, which is summer. It's look like the bar. It's not so different from each food and drink. For the highest is in iced coffee around 40%, and for the lowest is in soup and salad. They are the same at 25%. Of course, the highest is iced coffee because in summer it's definitely better to drink iced coffee than hot coffee, right? And now we discuss food and drinks one by one. First, here is hot coffee. You can see here clearly that the highest winter or blue bar is around 75 at this is the highest bar in winter. For summer, the orange bar is not too low, also around 30%, and here the highest is the winter bar. And for the second one is iced coffee. Here you can see that the winter bar or the blue bar is very low because there are very few iced coffee drinkers in the winter season. It's around 3%, and for the orange bar or the summer bar, it's look quiet high around 40% and is the highest bar in the summer season. Obviously, people like to drink iced coffee in the summer because of the hot weather, so people buy iced coffee. But it's not as high as hot coffee in the winter season. The third here is ice cream. You can see they are not far apart, only about 10% different, unlike previous bar which is very far away. And here the blue bar, namely winter, is around 25%, which is quite decent with that number in the winter season. It's turned out that there are also many people who like ice cream, even though it is winter, and there is an orange bar or summer bar. Here it is higher than the winter bar, around 35%. Obviously, quite a lot of people like ice cream. in the summer season. The hot weather is perfect if we eat ice cream, right? Alright, the fourth is soup. There is quite a distance between the blue bar and the orange bar. You can see the blue bar is 2 times the orange bar. Here there is a blue bar or also winter season. Quite high around 50%. It seems that many people like to eat soup in the winter. Obviously, is it? Very good. In the cold air, we eat hot soup. Very delicious, right? Then there is an orange bar or summer season. Their bar is half the winter bar, around 25%. Quite a lot of people also like to eat soup in the summer, but not as much as in the winter, right? Alright, so the fifth or last bar, which is a salad. It seems that many people like the same salad because here the lizards are the same weather in the winter season, namely the blue bar around 25%, and summer season, namely the orange bar around 25.72. So yeah, I have an opinion from this static. For my personal observation, this data makes sense. For example, during the summer, I myself also prefer cold drinks like iced coffee or ice cream because it's fresher and suitable for the hot weather. But what's also interesting is that there are still many people who buy ice cream in the winter. Maybe it's because it still tastes good, or maybe they're eating ice cream in the warm room, so it's still comfortable. When it comes to soup, it's also feel that it fits perfectly with the result of described. In winter, eating warm soup does make you feel cozy and warm for the inside. Maybe that's why people also buy more soup during winter. And the most unique thing is salad, because salad is considered a healthy food. So people still buy it anytime, no matter the season, right? Well, now we come to the conclusion of all this data from this graph. We can see that the weather or the season has a big influence on the food and beverage buying habits at Brisk Cafe. Drinks like hot coffee, iced coffee are heavily influenced by temperature. Hot coffee sells best in winter, while iced coffee sells best in summer. The same goes for food like soup, which is more favorite in the winter, but there are also food that are quite stable, such as ice cream, while still sells well in the winter, and salad, which are the same in the both seasons. Based on this data, Brisk Cafe can use this information for their sales strategy. For the example, in the winter, they can focus their promotion on hot water coffee and soap, since those are the two best-selling items. While in summer, they can promote iced coffee and ice cream more, perhaps by adding new flavors or special summer discount. That's right. Stable items such as salad can be maintained throughout the year as the maintained menu. Items that are always available. By understanding this consumption pattern, Brisk Cafe or increase their sales according for the season and provide the best choice for their customer. Alright, maybe that's all my explanation about the graphic or static. Thank you so much for your already watch this video until end. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much and bye.